Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... What if I told you the most powerful Jamaican YouTuber right now is not just making videos, he's building something much bigger. Something that looks dangerously similar to MrBeast's empire. Stay with me because this is deeper than views. Everyone knows MrBeast, the giveaways, the millions, the global dominance. But what if I told you, right here in Jamaica, Colaz Smith is quietly following a similar blueprint? Not copying, but building his own version of influence. What if I told you that there's a difference between a YouTuber and a brand? A YouTuber uploads videos, a brand builds people. And that's exactly what we're seeing with Colaz Smith. He's not just focused on himself anymore. He's building a network, a system, a movement. Sound familiar? That's exactly how MrBeast scaled. But here's where it gets interesting. Colaz isn't doing it with millions of dollars. He's doing it with people. Look at the pattern. Colaz introduces small creators. He brings them on camera. He shows them the formula. And suddenly, new YouTubers are rising. Names you never knew before are now getting views, subscribers, attention. That's not luck, that's strategy. MrBeast built a team. Colaz is building a community. And this next part is what people are missing. MrBeast didn't grow alone. He created an ecosystem. His friends became creators. His team became personalities. His brand became bigger than him. Now, look closely at Colaz. You see familiar faces showing up again and again. For example, Kanta, Ratty, Climber, Socks, Teabag, and a whole heap of others rising through the ranks. This is not random. This is a pipeline. A system where one creator helps create many. But here's a real question. Is Jamaica even realizing this? While some people are watching for entertainment, Colaz is building influence, and influence is more powerful than views. Because when you build people, you multiply reach. MrBeast understood this early. That's why his brand exploded globally. Colaz is doing something similar, but in a Jamaican context. Less money, but more connection. And this is where things could change fast. If this continues, Colaz won't just be a YouTuber. He would be a talent builder, a content hub, a leader in Jamaica's digital space, and already we are seeing that. The kind of person who doesn't just succeed, but creates success for others. And that is how empires are built. So, the real question is Colaz Smith becoming Jamaica's MrBeast, or is he becoming something completely different? Something even more powerful, because it's rooted in community. One thing is clear. This is no longer just about videos. This is about legacy. And if you're watching closely, you're witnessing the rise of something big.